Hello everyone and welcome to a quick Microsoft Edge tutorial. In today's video I want to show you how to restore the previous session in Edge. This is actually quite simple. To show you that it works, I will start by opening Microsoft Edge, and I already have 3 different websites open. If I now close Microsoft Edge completely and restart it, I'm back on my personal homepage. The previously open tabs are no longer there. To restore the previous session, I click on the 3 dots at the top right and go to History. Here I stay in Recently Closed and find my last session at the top. I can see from the icon that this involves more than one website. I can use the small arrow to open the previous session and see which websites were open. If I want to restore the previous session completely, I simply double click on it. And we can see that all tabs have been restored. And that's all you need to know. I hope you enjoyed the video and I will see you again in the next tutorial. Until then, your tutorial guy. Bye!